Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla's passenger play investigation gets closure from NHTSA. Tesla Cybertruck Manufacturing job openings are ramping at Giga Texas. Tesla tire safety comes into focus in new update. And Elon Musk is in China, sparking rumors of Tesla FSD Beta and new Model 3. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) is closing its investigation into Tesla's passenger play feature that was launched in late 2021 that affected 580,000 vehicles, but it still will keep an eye on the feature. The NHTSA opened a preliminary evaluation into the feature in January of last year after formally launching an investigation in December 2021. The agency requested information from Tesla regarding vehicles available throughout 2021 and model year 2017 through 2022 Model 3 and 2018 through 2022 Model S, X, and Y vehicles manufactured by Tesla. Tesla agreed to stop allowing the video games to be played on screens while vehicles were in motion, which were available to passengers and not the driver. The NHTSA confirmed recently that it would shut down its investigation and would not seek a recall of the vehicles, but it goes a tad further than that. The investigation closed on May 26. The agency also stated that a recall was not currently necessary, but data provided by Tesla showed that the feature produced significant concerns about driver distraction during the time that it was available. Additionally, the NHTSA admitted that it would not commit to stating that no safety-related defect exists. Furthermore, it does not foreclose the agency from taking further action, if warranted, or the potential for a future finding that a safety-related defect exists through additional information the agency may receive. Tesla disabled the feature in 97% of the vehicles due to an over-the-air software update within a month of the NHTSA's request to axe passenger play. After the update, the games would only be operational when the cars were in park. Moving to the next update, Tesla Cybertruck Manufacturing job openings are ramping at Giga Texas. A look at Tesla's careers page suggests that the electric vehicle maker is definitely setting the stage for the mass production of the Cybertruck. CEO Elon Musk has noted that the highly anticipated all-electric pickup truck would start production sometime this year. As could be seen on Tesla's careers page, the number of job openings related to the Cybertruck at Gigafactory Texas has increased. As of this video, there are over 70 job openings for the all-electric pickup. A good portion of the job listings specifically relates to Cybertruck manufacturing. The hiring ramp for the Cybertruck suggests that Tesla may not be too far from starting the initial production of the highly anticipated vehicle. Drone videos from avid Tesla watchers who have chronicled the progress of Giga Texas since its earliest days suggest that the facility's Cybertruck area continues to be busy. This was hinted at in photos shared by drone operator Jeff Roberts, one of Giga Texas veteran watchers. Images shared a few days ago showed that massive boxes have been brought inside the Cybertruck area at Giga Texas. Interestingly enough, Tesla did provide some official images of the vehicle's pilot line in the Q1 2023 update letter. The Cybertruck is arguably one of the most highly anticipated all-electric vehicles today. With its hulking stainless steel frame and its unique origami-like design, the Cybertruck promises to be a vehicle unlike anything on the road today. While the Cybertruck has seen its own fair share of delays, Tesla executives such as CEO Elon Musk and Chief of Design Franz von Holzhausen have maintained that the Cybertruck would be well worth the wait. Musk has even gone so far as to suggest that the Cybertruck could very well become Tesla's magnum opus. Moving to the next update, Tesla tire safety comes into focus in new update. Tesla has added a new feature in its most recent update that relates to tire safety, specifically tracking the mileage on your rubber and notifying you of when it might be time for a fresh set. Tires are arguably the most important part of vehicle safety in the sense that without properly fitting rubber or overworn tires, your car won't operate to its best ability, nor will you, or other occupants, be able to have peace of mind when traveling, even in the most ideal conditions. However, in today's day and age, too many people are not aware of how often you should change your tires. Kelley Blue Book suggests that drivers change their tires every 50,000 miles, meaning they will log between 3 and 5 years of use before needing to be replaced. Of course, rotations and other maintenance, like checking air pressure levels to ensure proper inflation, are also necessary to ensure proper safety. Even still, it can become too much for some drivers to keep track of, so Tesla is adding a new feature to monitor tire health, according to Not a Tesla app. The feature is a part of Tesla's 2023.20 software update and is easily accessible through the controls menu. Tesla's official release notes for the feature state the following. Go to Controls Service to see how many miles it's been since your last tire service. When you get your tires rotated, replaced, or swapped, tap Reset to reset the counter. Vehicle safety is consistently improved upon in Tesla vehicles with frequent feature additions, and they go well past things that would prevent an accident. For example, Tesla recently added a new feature that would allow drivers to disable passive authentication, which would prevent a vehicle from unlocking in the event that someone with ill intentions is nearby and could take advantage of the unlocked vehicle when the owner is nearby. Moving to the last update, Elon Musk is in China, sparking rumors of Tesla FSD Beta and new Model 3. Elon Musk is in China, meeting with government officials, and Tesla CEO's visit is sparking rumors of a FSD Beta release in China and of the new Model 3. Musk's private jet landed in Beijing recently for a meeting with Chinese Foreign Minister Qin Gang. The CEO is believed to have stressed the importance of a good relationship between the US and China. According to Bloomberg, Musk is also going to visit Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai and try to meet with Premier Li Qiang. The visit to Giga Shanghai comes as the factory is expected to soon start producing a new version of the Model 3. Musk's visit is sparking rumors that Tesla could launch the new version during the visit. Furthermore, the fact that the CEO is expected to talk about automated driving with Li is also giving people hope that Tesla might be trying to gain regulatory approval to launch FSD Beta in China. China is becoming Tesla's largest market, but regulatory hurdles have made it difficult for the automaker to release some of its driver assist features under Autopilot and FSD. Tesla is counting on the release of FSD Beta in China, resulting in a large boost in revenue, since the automaker has now delivered hundreds of thousands of vehicles in the country that can be upgraded to FSD Beta. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.